Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix a video call problem on Messenger, you've come to the right place. So if you struggle with video calls, let me show you how to fix it. And this is really easy. Go to your application store, find search bar, and here find Messenger. Open Messenger and make sure that Messenger is updated. If it says update instead of open, click on update and wait while your Messenger is updated, and once it updates, the problem should be fixed. If this not helps, go to your settings, and in settings you need to find apps. Find Messenger. As you can see, I have Messenger in recently open apps. If you don't have it, click on all application and find Messenger. Once you find it, go to storage and cache. Here you need to clear cache and clear storage. Once you've done that, the problem should be fixed. If not, the last but not the least way to solve this problem, just simply uninstall and reinstall Messenger, and don't be afraid that you will be unlocked from the app, because the Messenger is synchronized with Facebook, and if you haven't logged out of your Facebook account, the Messenger account will also be logged in. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.